In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share an Instagram story without being tagged in it in 2021. Okay, so when it comes to being tagged in Instagram stories, you cannot just remove your tag within Instagram itself. So you have to go and use this workaround in order to do this. So what you'll need to do is find a story that you would like to share onto your story. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this person's profile, find a story that I want to share. And then once you've gone ahead and found the story that you want to share, you can go ahead and long press on the story to pause it, and then you quickly want to take a screenshot. So I've taken the screenshot now of that particular story, so I can go ahead and go to my photo gallery, and here's the picture within my photo gallery. What I need to do is just edit it slightly, and I'll just crop it out so it looks like the original story. So take out that top and the bottom bit, and then I would tap on the save button. Now I can go back to Instagram, and then you just want to go to your stories section, and then once you're on your stories, you can go ahead and tap that little upload button for the camera roll at the bottom left. Select the photo that you just edited, and you can zoom it out a bit so it looks something like that. And I know this isn't 100% perfect, but this is a way that you can go ahead and share someone's story onto your stories without being tagged in it. So then you would just tap on the send to button and upload that to your story. And that is pretty much how to share Instagram story without being tagged in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.